everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today we're going to use the new Cricut Venture to make a large Mickey Mouse for a second-year-old's birthday party. So the first thing I'm going to do is look for the perfect Mickey image, if that even exists. I do have a couple of the Disney packs that they have released in the past, so I'm going to search through my purchases, look at all of these super cute Mickeys, and see what I can find. I'm going to be using the Cricut cardstock, the Cricut I guess it's for the Venture, the really large cardstock. But I also got a couple poster boards from Target just to supplement and try not to use all of the Cricut supplies, and also to get a couple colors. So I got the red from Target as well as black and white, and I'll be using the yellow and the color of his face, the pink, from Cricut's cardstock, the really large cardstock. So I'm going to use this cute little character here and make it the size of the cardstock. I think I'm going to use, the cardstock's actually a little bit smaller than the mat. So I have to make sure that everything fits perfectly on the actual cardstock. So the black's going to be the biggest one. It was so much fun to make this for a 2-year-old's birthday party, and to make it on the Venture. It cut so fast, like I couldn't even keep up with changing the mat. It cut in like 4 minutes. So I have to tell you, that is definitely amazing seeing how fast this cuts. So after the sizing is in place, I'm actually going to change some of these colors because there's more colors here than what I have on hand. So there's nothing wrong with changing the colors up to match what you want to do. So for me, the easiest way to do it is to go to Color Sync, find the colors that I want to cut together, and then I will just drag one of the items with that so that they cut together. So here the leg's a little bit darker than the pants, so, or the inside is a little bit darker than the outside. So I'm just going to make that one color. Same with the tongue. I don't have a different color for the tongue, so I'm going to make that red. I'm going to make that red just because. And then these 2 yellows. I don't have 2 yellows. I only have one. So I'm going to combine these. I absolutely could have used vinyl because I probably have all the colors in vinyl and could have made it even bigger. But I thought that this card or poster board size would be perfect for the 2-year-old's birthday party. It's just for decoration. I fully expect it to get destroyed by the time, well, by the time the party's over. So here we go. You just hit make it. Gonna pick the medium cardstock. It's 80-pound cardstock from Cricut. The settings are different for each one, but I love how they have all of these instructions here. Tells you where to put the lever, how to have the guides. The mat support should be out, and lower the lever. So what I would have done differently here is also put in the extra mat support. It doesn't seem to affect how it cuts. It would just hold the mat up a little bit better while we cut it. I did not speed up any of this, so you'll see in live time how quickly this actually cuts. So watch this. And there you have it. That's our Mickey. I just used a glue stick to attach them all together. I don't expect them to live past the birthday party. Here is the beautiful 2-year-old loving her little Mickey and giving him kisses. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. I definitely like the Cricut cardstock better than the Target, but the Target one did leave a nice shine on the pants. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.